In an instant, everything can change. We've seen firsthand how wildfires can leave families stranded. Homes are lost, lives are uprooted, and rebuilding can feel impossible. The need for housing is immediate, yet traditional rebuilding takes time that many families simply don't have. Temporary shelters offer short-term relief, but they are not a sustainable solution. But we've proven there's a better way, one that's fast, cost-effective, and built to last.
In 2017, nobody had experienced the kind of wildfire destruction that we had experienced. And so there was a concern that the devastation was so large in our region that we were going to lose big portions of our community because they were not going to be able to build quick enough to keep them here. And so we saw the need to try to work on temporary housing that was more long-term than, say, a FEMA trailer.
Out of this need, a group of architects, engineers, and community leaders formed Homes for Sonoma, a nonprofit dedicated to high-quality, temporary to permanent modular housing for wildfire survivors. They knew that waiting years for traditional rebuilding wasn't an option. This is why they chose modular construction as a solution.
After our wildfires here in the North Bay, we were a small group of individuals who wanted to work on a long-term temporary housing product for our community. And so we got together and we were a lot of
there's engineers and architects and a whole bunch of you guys rallied together.
Yeah, we were a lot of architects. I think there were like about 20 architects and engineers and builders, and then people from the wine industry and people from other sort of professional industries that were maybe related to the engineers and architects industry. And that's kind of the group that pooled together to contract with Wolf.
Beyond just providing shelter, the Homes for Sonoma team carefully designed a space that fosters healing for a community. Instead of isolating families, they built small clusters of homes where residents could support one another.
We also knew that our community was really traumatized by the experience of the wildfire. And so we wanted to create a temporary housing environment that was conducive to healing after such a, large trauma.
There are many gaps when it comes to the existing system and how recovery housing works. FEMA trailers, trailer houses, that's not a long-term solution. Our product, when is brought in as a short-term housing solution, also benefits long-term because it can be permitted as a primary, permanent, or an ADU structure.
We're committed to making disaster recovery faster, more efficient, and more sustainable, because no family should have to wait years to feel at home again.
It took everybody chipping in and roll up their sleeves to get this done, because there wasn't like there was just money sitting around to fund this effort. We had to quickly fundraise from the community for the build.
Built in a controlled environment, our high-quality modular homes are designed for durability, energy efficiency, and long-term use. They can be rapidly deployed to communities who need them the most, helping families move forward without the long wait.
The volume of work that needs to happen is so high that you will benefit from having partnerships outside your local area because they won't be directly impacted.
Years later, the efforts from Homes for Sonoma and other recovery efforts shape how disaster recovery housing is handled across the country. The need for fast, high-quality housing solutions is greater than ever. Modular home construction is proving to be a key part of the solution.
The reliability is huge. Whereas other outfits may be trying to ramp up or gear up for this, you're already there. You don't need to ramp up. You just have capacity.
So once permits are done, because that's the part we don't have control over, you're going to get a house very short order. We build them in the production line, 12 days or less, and then bring them out to your site and delivery team takes over from there.
With more communities facing the devastation of wildfires, the lessons from Sonoma can serve as a roadmap for rebuilding faster and smarter. Community partnerships and modular homes are key to making sure no family is left without a home. Visit our website in the description and learn about our modular housing solutions and how they can help provide a fresh start after disaster. We're working toward partnerships with nonprofits and relief organizations to bring these homes to communities in need. If your organization is looking for effective, scalable housing solutions, let's work together.